I don't want to hit you. I don't want to touch you. You're pushing me.
No, I'm not pushing
Yes, you are.
I'm standing.
You can't leave.
You are punishing me.
No,
You can't leave.
Oh.
You can't leave.
Fine.
You can't leave.
You're telling me I can't.
God.
You're telling me I can't leave because you don't want me to leave.
God.
Well, then I have to get security. I'm sorry. I don't wish to stay here any longer.
They are pushing me. Don't push me. What do you think? You're
Pushing me.
He's standing. Bring back that friend. Right. You still is bad and then you still even. Who are you?
Don't touch us. You don't have the right to touch us. You don't have the right to touch us. You don't have the right to touch us.
I'm sure you couldn't even afford to mention yourself. Please. You are not next time. We are not the vice chancellor. You are
nothing. You're protecting your white person. You have nothing. You're just security. All what you want. It is for this building and this commission to say when are they bringing back our
guys, let's stop to this now.
What? What stop?
Are they going to go back?
No, but you're not answering us. Are we going to go back?
Are they going to go back?
Who do you think you are? This is not a dialogue. No, this is not dialogue. Don't stop us. It's not dialogue.